Today on Malaysian Chinese Kitchen, we are going to prepare lo hon chai or braised mixed vegetables. This special dish is usually eaten on the first day of the Chinese New Year. Let's get started. To cook this dish, you will need some specialty ingredients. First up are dried lily flowers. Trim the ends and tie a knot in the center of each strand. Then soak prepared lily flowers, red dates, black fungus, sea moss, glass vermicelli, and Chinese mushrooms in separate bowls for about 20 minutes until softened. Chinese mushrooms may take longer. Rinse and drain each ingredient. Cut off the mushroom stems, then cut the caps into halves. Soak them again in water and reserve this soaking liquid. Remove peeled ginkgo nuts from packaging. Rinse, drain, and set aside. Other ingredients you will need are bean curd sheets, fermented red soybean curd, braised gluten, and fried gluten balls. Fry bean curd sheets one sheet at a time until they blister and turn golden brown. Remove and break into smaller pieces. Saute garlic for 30 seconds. Add fermented red soybean curd. Mash and fry with spatula for 2 minutes. Add prepared dried lily flowers, red dates, black fungus, Chinese mushrooms, and ginkgo nuts. Stir fry to get all ingredients coated with fermented red soybean curd. Pour in reserved mushroom soaking liquid. Bring liquid to a boil. Add braised gluten, fried gluten balls, and fried bean curd sheets. Cover and braise for 20 minutes. Open and stir every now and then. Add Napa cabbage and continue to stir fry until Napa cabbage has wilted. Add some water if it appears to be a little dry. Do a taste test. Add salt if needed. Finally, add prepared glass vermicelli and sea moss. Continue to stir fry until glass vermicelli and sea moss are softened and cooked. This will take about 5 minutes. And there you have it, super tasty lohon chai or braised mixed vegetables for Chinese New Year. Do give it a try.